Bonjour et bienvenue. On apprend l'adjectif possessif. We learn the possessive adjectives in this class. The application of possessive adjectives in French is completely different from the one in English. We have got 7 possessive adjectives in English: my, your, his, her, our, your, and their. In the first column, that is singular owner, we have my, your, his, her. Second column, plural owner, our, your, and their. In English, I say my father, my mother, my brothers, or my sisters. I use the same possessive adjective my for father, mother, brothers, sisters. I need not worry about the gender and number of the noun which is following the possessive adjective my. So the possessive adjective my can be a common one for father, mother, brothers, sisters. I can use my father, my mother, my brothers, and my sisters. But unfortunately, this style of English does not exist in French. We must find out the gender and number of the noun that follows the possessive adjective. If the noun following is masculine singular, mon, M-O-N, mom is written. If it's feminine singular, ma is written. And if it is plural, may is written. On the screen, find out the word for my pen in French. Pen is masculine singular, so we use mon. Mon stylo. Next one is my table. Table is feminine singular, so ma table. Third one, my pens, my tables. Masculine or feminine but plural, so it is mes stylo, mes table. Next one is brother, frère, that is masculine singular, so mon frère. Second one is sister, sœur, so it is ma sœur. The third ones are brothers, sisters, plural, masculine or feminine, but plural nouns, so it is mes frères, mes sœurs. Beware of this point. When you write for oreille, you are supposed to write ma oreille because the word oreille is feminine singular. A monosyllabic word ending with a vowel meeting the next word starting with a vowel or H mute, or meeting any word starting with a vowel sound is avoided in French language. So, the supposed to be correct answer ma is changed to be mon oreille. Not ma oreille, it is mon oreille. So, the single English word my is divided into 3 words in French, mon, ma, mes. Let's come to the next possessive adjective, your. Singular, your. Exactly like the possessive adjective my, that takes mon, ma, mes. The possessive adjective your takes ton, ta, te in French language. The application of ton, ta, te is parallel to mon, ma, mes. So if you understand the concept of mon, ma, mes, it will be easy for you to understand ton, ta, te and the remaining possessive adjectives in French. Livre is masculine singular, so your textbook in French is ton livre. Maison is feminine singular, so your house in French is ta maison. In the third one, the nouns are given in plural. Your textbooks, your houses. That will be tes livres, tes maisons in French. So the word your, singular, beware, here your is singular. It takes three equivalents in French, ton, ta, te. Next examples are projected on the screen. Bench, bank. Bank is masculine singular. So ton bank. The second one is khavat, which is feminine singular. So the possessive adjective is ta khavat. It's neither ton khavat nor te khavat. It is ta khavat. In the third one, nouns are in plural. So it is te ban, te khavat. And here also beware, ta changes into ton horloge. Even though ta is supposed to be the correct answer. It is not ta horloge, it is ton horloge. So the equivalent words of my or mo, ma, me and your singular or ton, ta, te. In French, the English words his or her or no separate words. His and her follow the style of my and your. Therefore, his or her takes three equivalents in French, son, sa, se. Son meaning his, her, sa meaning his, her, se that also means his, her. When the noun following is masculine singular, cahier, it's son cahier, his notebook or her notebook. When the noun following is feminine singular, règle, it's sa règle, his ruler or her ruler. When the noun following is in the plural form, ses cahiers or ses règles, his notebooks, her notebooks, or his rulers, her rulers. Like ma and ta, that change into mo and ton respectively in front of a feminine singular word that begins with a vowel or H mute, the possessive adjective sa changes into son. So it's not sa avenue, it is son avenue. More examples are on the screen. Sac, handbag, masculine singular. So it's son sac. Clay, it's feminine singular. So it's sa clay. Third one, sac clay in the plural form. So it's say sac, say clay. His handbag, her handbag. His key, her key. His bags, her bags. His keys or her keys. It's a reminder of what you have learnt already. Possessive adjectives ma, ta, sa change into mo, ton, son in front of a feminine singular word starting with a vowel or H mute, H silent. Let's proceed to the next possessive adjective, our. The English possessive adjective our has two equivalent words in French? Notre and non. Notre, non. Notre is used in front of all singular nouns irrespective of the gender, masculine or feminine. Notre professeur, notre maison. Non, NOS, non is used before all plural nouns irrespective of the gender. So our is notre and non in French. Notre chien, notre montre. Nos chiens, nos montres. Masculine or feminine singular, notre. Masculine or feminine plural, non. Notre and non. So the possessive adjective our has two equivalents in French, notre and non. Notre before singular nouns, non before plural nouns. When you address a group of people, we use this your. Or when you address someone with a mark of respect, we use this your. The application of this your goes in parallel with that of our. Votre and vos, there it is notre and non. Here it is votre and vos. Votre before singular nouns, bateau, voiture. Vos before plural nouns, bateau, voiture. Your boat, your car. Your boats, your cars. Our is notre, non. Your is votre, vos. So please understand, the possessive adjective our and your plural, they both have same application and style of usage. Next examples are projected on the screen. Your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Votre ami, votre ami. The second one is boyfriends and girlfriends. So, votre changes into vos amis, vos amis. And the last one is their. It has two equivalents, leur, leur. The first one is used before all singular nouns and the second one before all plural nouns irrespective of their gender. Leur, leur chapeau, leur chambre. Their hat, their room. LURS, leur chapeau, leur chambre. Their hats, their rooms. Look at more examples on the screen. Leur bureau, leur cabine. Both the nouns are singular irrespective of their gender. So we use LEUR. Leur bureau, leur cabine. Their office, their cabin. In the second one, LEURS is used because bureau and cabine, they both have become plural. So their offices, their cabins. With this, we wind off possessive adjectives in French. The cartoon presentation that comes next is the revision of possessive adjectives you have already learned. Do the test at the end of the video. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so earlier. Thank you.